Okay, so you're going to use partial fractions to split this fraction here. And you generally use that to create expressions that you can do Laplace transformations on just using your tables. It makes your life easier. So I want to split it first of all as a over something plus b over something. And I just need to figure out what a and b are. But on the bottom, I need to express it as two things multiplied together. So on the bottom, you want to factorize these if you can. So s and s. And you'll have to do a -2 and a +1. So s squared plus s minus 2. Perfect, that'll work fine. So if I can split it like that, I can put one of the denominators under a and one under b, because the process, of course, is to multiply your denominators to get a common denominator. All right, so that's going to be equal to 1 over s squared minus s minus 2. I'm just rewriting that in the right here to give us space, and this is what we're going to work on. So first step in adding fractions to get a common denominator, and the easiest way is just to multiply your denominators. That'll give me s squared minus s minus 2. And then I have to multiply the s plus 1 by a, giving me as plus a. And then the b by s minus 2, giving me bs minus 2b. And that's equal to 1 over s squared minus s minus 2. Alright, so my bottom lines are the same. So using my identities then for the top line, get my as plus bs, I get my s's together. Plus a minus 2b is equal to 1. And I want to let my s's equal my s's and my constants equal my constants. So I'm going to say that there's no s's on the left there. If there was s's, I'd just leave them equal to that. So as plus bs is equal to 0s, and just cancel off your s's. So a plus b equals 0. Won't always be equal to 0, it depends on the question. So a minus 2b in this case then is equal to 1. Perfect. So here I'll just say a is equal to minus b, and I'm going to utilize that over here. So where I see a, I'll replace it by minus b, minus 2b is equal to 1, and that's minus 3b is equal to 1. And b is equal to minus 1 over 3. And now we've got our a and our b, we can rewrite our partial fraction. So we said it's going to be a over s minus 2. Oh, sorry, I didn't get my a yet. Sorry, apologies. A is minus b, so a is the negative of minus a third. So a is a third. All right, so we got our a and our b. Back in, so to our fraction. So a is 1/3, and that's over s minus 2. And b is minus a third, and that's over s minus 2. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to divide, so it's a third divided by s minus 2. So that's 1 over 3 times s minus 2 minus 1 over 3 times, sorry, one of these should be, sorry, apologies, the underneath here is wrong. It's s minus 2 and s plus 1, of course. 3 times s plus 1. So 1 over 3s minus 2, sorry, 3s minus 6. Minus 1 over 3s plus 3. But manipulate it any way you want. If you need to factorize that 3 back out again, then that's what you need to do.